Welcome to Modern Homes and Gardens, where exceptional design meets timeless inspiration. Whether you're passionate about elegant interiors, breathtaking outdoor spaces, or innovative architectural ideas, you've come to the perfect place. Every space has the potential to become something extraordinary, and today we're exploring how thoughtful design can completely transform the way we experience our surroundings. Luxury isn't simply about expensive materials or grand proportions. It's about creating environments that feel welcoming, balanced, and beautifully connected. The most memorable spaces are carefully crafted to combine comfort, function, and visual harmony. Every detail, from texture and lighting to natural elements and architectural form, works together to create an atmosphere that feels calm, refined, and inspiring. Modern design continues to evolve by embracing clean lines, organic materials, and seamless transitions between indoor and outdoor living. Natural light plays a vital role, highlighting beautiful surfaces, enhancing depth, and bringing every carefully selected feature to life. Rich textures, elegant finishes, and timeless color palettes create spaces that remain sophisticated for years to come, while still feeling warm and inviting. One of the greatest strengths of contemporary design is its ability to blend innovation with nature. Beautiful greenery, natural stone, warm wood, flowing water, and thoughtfully integrated lighting can transform an ordinary setting into an unforgettable retreat. Every layer adds character, while every carefully planned element contributes to an environment that feels effortless, yet highly refined. Great design also focuses on the way people experience a space. Comfort, openness, and balance are just as important as visual beauty. Smart layouts encourage relaxation, conversation, creativity, and everyday living, while maintaining an elegant appearance. When every element has a purpose, the entire environment feels cohesive and enjoyable. Attention to detail is what separates good design from exceptional design. Carefully selected materials, precise craftsmanship, harmonious proportions, and subtle contrasts all contribute to creating spaces that feel luxurious without overwhelming the senses. Simplicity often becomes the most powerful statement, allowing quality and thoughtful planning to speak for themselves. As technology continues to advance, modern homes become even more efficient, adaptable, and comfortable. Innovative solutions are blending seamlessly into everyday living, making spaces more functional while preserving clean architectural aesthetics. The future of design celebrates both beauty and practicality, proving that sophistication can exist alongside convenience. Whether your inspiration comes from contemporary architecture, timeless craftsmanship, or nature itself, every project begins with imagination. Small changes can have a remarkable impact, while bold ideas can redefine an entire environment. The journey of design is about discovering possibilities, expressing creativity, and creating places that truly feel special. We hope today's inspiration encourages you to see design with fresh eyes and imagine new possibilities for every space. There is always another idea to explore, another style to discover, and another beautiful transformation waiting to happen. Thank you for spending your time with Modern Homes and Gardens. If you enjoyed this journey through inspiring design and luxurious living, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. Join our growing community as we continue exploring remarkable architecture, elegant interiors, beautiful landscapes, and timeless ideas that inspire homes around the world. Until next time, keep creating, keep dreaming, and remember that great design has the power to elevate everyday living.